It's that fucking Explorer.
Morning everybody, it's me again, that fucking Explorer with Mart.
Hello.
Today we are out and about in, you've guessed it, we're in Surrey.
It's like we live here or something.
I know, it's almost like we live here. But we're over Byfleet Weybridge Way, over by Silvermere Golf Course, and we are going to explore what was an old World War II air raid shelter for what used to be the old Vickers factory during World War II. So let's go have a look. So let's go in. Spooky. Ooh, you can tell where we're going.
We're underground.
The Fallout dude, isn't it?
Huh?
Fallout dude.
Oh, the pit boy.
Pit boy! It's nice and cool down here as usual. This is definitely quite interesting. Yeah, Mark, found you a new sofa.
Yeah. Is it nice? Do it, bloody nice.
Looks leather, maybe. No, it's fabric. It's blue.
Oh, well, I'm blue. Bit of blue.
You want a blue sofa? It is quite small, but then again it would have been just for would have just been part of a thing. Oh, that's interesting. It is what appears to be a ladder going up a hatch. So that's quite interesting, because that might have been another way. Emergency exit in case the place got bombed out. Hey Mark, did you see this up here?
All the ladders?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you go look for where it goes?
We can.
Okay, we'll go have a look.
That might be the,
Emergency exit.
it might be the concrete bit that we see upstairs. Let's have a look. I don't know if it is.
Cameron's Gay.
Oh, there's lots of weird thingies in there.
Peter and Martin.
Not me, mate.
Not you.
No, definitely not me.
Ogre Storm Willie. Oh look, the obligatory swastikas. Oh, that's just not even a good joke. So yeah. Look behind you, it's your uncle's penis.
Yeah, there's a big penis on the wall.
Oh yes, there is the obligatory giant penis.
Hello, Uncle's penis.
It hasn't beaten the penis at Meadowlands though.
I mean,
And then there's
and a fucking dinosaur, so
cross penises there.
beg your pardon?
Cross penises.
What are they? Are they crossed
With,
or are they
what,
in cross?
with what appears to be a lady's axe wound above it.
Lovely. That's a lovely description, Steve.
Hey, it works. Oh look, there's another look behind you, it's your uncle.
Your uncle smells.
It's Ma!
Hello.
Wave!
Have a light in your face.
I cannot see! But yeah. So it's small in here, but it didn't need to be massive, it just had to get people in underground and safe from bombing
I think
ranges.
these side bits, and these little indents, I reckon they would have had like benches or something.
Yeah.
Or beds.
Mm.
So someone would have slept where it said cunt.
A bit short for beds, but they might have put bunks in there.
I don't know. And now people just drink and eat Galaxy chocolate down there.
And have protected sex.
Apparently so.
But at least they're doing it protected.
Except for their knees probably get a bit dirty.
Yeah, maybe.
Sorry.
There's no fuses, Mark, no switches.
There isn't, but they weren't powered down here, were they? So it's okay.
Yeah, true. Crazy.
Scared yourself.
Now, you've got this bit here, you know, was it twin shell? Oh, another part. Who knows, was there, you know, because this is dug out a bit, might there have been an actual main overground entrance part? Who honestly knows?
What?
Mark tripped over.
I didn't, I jumped. I
You
had to get from one tyre to the other.
You jumped.
I scraped myself, though.
Oh no.
You gonna kiss it better?
Fuck off. You scraped your other elbow. That one.
No?
Looks like so.
That one.
Might have been shadow.
Oh, lads, it's that f***ing explorer.